What is certain is that this reptile has thrived here like nowhere else, and from dense jungle rainforest to dry deciduous woodlands, Madagascar provides chameleons a range of preferred habitat. With Madagascar providing an abundance of insect species, chameleons have evolved a specialized adaptation in order to hunt them. Firing their suction cup tongues, they ensnare their unfortunate victims with incredible accuracy. With a reach up to twice their body length, these lizards are capable of striking prey from considerable distance in just a fraction of a second. So effective is this hunting